Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello everybody, let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start from $30. Trades are gonna be on a 1 minute time frame as usual. Now all the currency pairs with the optimal percentage and volatility have already been selected, so let's get start selecting indicators. Today we have this ADX, this is CCI, and this is the downchain channel. Let's go over the settings. First, set up the CCI oscillator. We will have it with a period of 10. Remember that 10. Okay. Let's change the background. In the main moving average CCI, leave the oversold and overbought areas as they are. Let's also start ADX. Today we don't need plus and minus moving averages. Now we'll leave them only. We will not change the sliding ADX. And the actual settings of the downchain channel itself, this is the set of indicators in today's strategy. I'll start trading right now. As trading progresses, I will slowly explain to you what role each indicator and oscillator plays here. And of course, in principle, let's get started, right? Let's get started. Why do we need to waste more time? Let's open more positions by this time. Okay, here let's find the nice entry point and let's start our rock and roll. Of course. So here we will open a trade for an increase. Now we will win. Will play out here from the oversold area and from the support area. We will highlight the workspace and we will mark our support area right here, and price has touched. The price goes into flat dynamics of moment. As you can see, the lower moving downchain channel touched, right? I think we should move upward. So we also see an exit from the oversold area for CCI, and we also see the upward dynamics of the ADX moving, guys. So let's see how many seconds left. 18 seconds left until our transaction is completed. Our long position is closed. So let's watch the result. 10 seconds left. We close to the profit. Let's wait for the income in the next 5 seconds. And the first position, as a tradition, is in profit. Nice one, guys. Congrats, pretty easy. Let's update the amount of trading. Don't forget to do that too. So yeah, there was nothing complicated about it. The winning back from the resistance zone, and more precisely the oversold area and support area in general, were recorded for us. So first positive trade. Let's continue and our analysis, and select the next currency pair for properly choose entry point, right? So let me just check. What do we have here? And let's open here short position. We will draw a trend line here. Let me select the workspace for it. Our trend line, we have a good point of contact. There was also a touch of the upper sliding. Our shadow also concerns the exit from the overbought area. According to the ADX, we will say that the average direction of the trend, since our dynamics of the moving average according to ADX does not go beyond the area above 28, right? This suggests that the trend has a good stable downward character, guys. So 15 seconds left until completion. Let's watch the result of our second trade. I guess is the tradition. It must be in profit too, right? So let's wait for it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're in a profit. of course, the second position is in profit. Let's change the amount of trading. 104. We work with the trend here, open by the trend. So yeah. Plus we have now exited for the overbought area. So accordingly, the transaction, the position was absolutely correct. Let's continue. Right? This is just the beginning. $104, guys. This is really cheap for me. So let's make it bigger. That's what she said, and let's continue. Let's open here, for example, long position, or no, let me wait. Yeah, let's open short position, focusing on here on ADX. Look at its value, 41%, not higher than 45. Accordingly, our trend should not change yet. When the moving average goes above the area 45 and it's in the area up to 60, then our trend may change. And here we are guided by the ADX. We see that after the flat dynamics of the moment right here, in our case it takes on a downward movement, so we will again make a trade in the direction of the trend. So opening here left 15 seconds. So far I'm completely satisfied with the dynamics of the movement. So earlier we saw a way out of the oversold area, but in general the dynamics are now downward. So the last seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're in the profits. Yes. Also, without any problems, as usual, we are closed again in plus. Very good strategy. It's universal since you can navigate by ADX, ASCCI, and by channel movement, right? If you also know technical analysis, you're gonna be a professional. If you will practice it, that's we will practice it a lot of times. So the strategy is a good weapon in the hands of every trader. So let's continue, confirm these words, and select the next currency pair for our work. So yeah, guys, practice it. This is the main thing too. Here we will reopen the trade for short. We will reopen it along the trend line. Now this is our signal, emphasized by the area leaving the overbought area. So let me put a trend line here. Also trend line touching the upper moving channel, a good point of contact. A new local high is formed, and after this upward price rollback, I think the deal should be opened for sure, right? This is the second time we have opened the deal here, and in general the first time the deal was closed plus on this pullback. Since we saw a good touch point, and here we also have a good touch point, so therefore our trend closing in a profit too. While we're talking, we're updating our amount of every position by position. We're updating our money, right? We're increasing it. So let's continue. Let's try to open a long position. So here's a lot of short. Now we want to open long too, for example, right here. I'll wait for price pullbacks here. Open again for a minute. Highlight the work area. Working area downward dynamics. A new point of contact will form after the formation of new one. Of a new, our local low price should go into correction. The dynamics now should give us a pullback in the next minute or two. Then here we see an exit from the area before selling according to the CCI oscillator. So therefore we will also wait for the exit, and that is why we opened the trade for a long. Right, as you can see, we didn't open here at the most ideal moment, but in general, since I saw a way out of the oversold area, I wasn't afraid and opened the trade against the trend, guys. Notice it. So yeah, take notes, try, repeat after me, and we're in the profit as I promised. Was closed with a plus, without no hesitation. Another position is in profit. So let's change the amount of the value and continue our trading, guys. This is just the beginning, I guess, right? So let's not drag out good volatility today. I did a good analysis in advance. I spent some time for each currency pair. In general, I understand which currency pair is needed where and how to open trades. So let's proceed to further analysis and select the next currency pair. So yes guys, let's open here a long position. Here we are already looking at the dynamics of the ADX, friends. Let's select the work area. Now let's see our ADX is in area 58, right? This tells us about a change in trend, which in theory should happen soon. We see an exit from the oversold area and also see a touch of the lower moving average, the formation of new local minimum. So we will open a trade here for an increase. I won't say that there should be some kind of strong dynamics here, but in general I think there should be a slight pullback. So last 10 seconds before we close our profit again in plus. So let's wait for it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we're in the profits again, right? Of course, right. Every man will see that and says hell yeah. So let's continue without any problems. Even in such situation you can safely open a deal. Also, the situation was quite complicated in general, as you can see. As I said, we had a weekly volatility pullback. The deal was closed in plus anyway, so we'll change the currency pair and select the next entry into the position, right? Let's find it. Let's watch for it. Okie dokie. Let's open long position here. As I said, long positions will be to a good point of contact. Highlight the workspace. We can draw a trend line here. Now we see a good point of contact. We also see a contact with a lower moving average of our channel indicator. After the price rollback, we open upward along the trade. We see an exit. Also, we see an exit from the oversold area. Just like that, it works perfectly for us, guys. And we understand that the ADX has an average direction of the dynamics given such rollbacks. Accordingly, we must understand that this rollback is completely normal. It's okay, and yet the price dynamics should continue their upward trend. Last seconds, last five seconds until the transaction is completed and the deal is closed without any problems. In a profit, guys. Again, now we have a $2,019. I guess that's nice results. And for to consolidate the results, let's open 2 or 3 more deals, and let's select the next currency for it. The next currency pair, I guess today market pretty well. Strategy, awesome. Me, beautiful. Okay, you must try it too. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's open short position in the direction of the trend. After the pullback, everything is very simple here. Let's select the workspace. Our trend is so strong that the upper moving average does not touch the downchain channel indicator, and already here we see a way out of the oversold area, guys. Therefore, let's look. Everything here was very simple. Let's watch for the position. When you open according to the trend, the main thing is to look for the overbought area. There are 20 seconds left before we got our profit. So let's wait for 15 seconds left. And in the next 10 seconds we will get our profit. Come to daddy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are in the profit. Nice, guys. $3,678 on our balance, without any problem. Pretty awesome. So let's probably open more 3 deals, more 3 positions to secure it, right? So I want it today. We have a good volatility. I like it. We don't want to miss it, we will open three positions for 3,000, of course, and I think it will be possible to complete the trade on this result. So let's select the final currency pair. For example, right here, it looks awesome for 3 short positions. We saw a price rollback. We will open for rollback, of course. Highlight the workspace. Look how strongly the upward dynamics prevailed here. We finally saw an obvious touch of the upper moving average. You saw a rollback in such cases when you see more than 5 candles touching the upper moving averages. Do not open deal in a rollback. Do not. Wait for the retracement candle to appear and close. Only then open the trade against the direction of the trend, and sure to look for the overbought area. In our case, everything is the same, everything is in order. A little more than 10 seconds left right now. So let's observe the final deals, the result of the final deals, and 3, 2, 1. Of course, we are in the profits, guys. Nice result for today, from $30 till $6,300, guys. That's awesome. Let's move to my favorite part of the video. This is the withdrawal, and I'm gonna buy today something new, right? So let's choose the amount, $6,300. That's gonna be okay for me. Let me find the address and the code right here. Okay, click on the continue, and I'm sorry, I guess I will go buy something and then go to sleep. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget about the YouTube, likes, comments, Telegram, and subscriptions, of course. Bit of myself. So see you soon. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.